Hey designers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance a blurry image in just one click using an AI website. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for XDesign. This is the website we'll use. Open it, and now it's time to log in. I'll sign in with Google, continue, and once you're on the main page, you'll see multiple options to create images and do other things. But today, we are going through tools because we want to enhance a blurry image. In Tools, there are many amazing options, but the one we need is Enhance Image. I've already downloaded a blurry picture, so let's open it. And now we are on the page where you can adjust settings to enhance your image. I'll select Ultra HD and click Enhance. And it may take a few moments, but once it's done, boom! You can see the results immediately, scroll through to compare the before and after, and it's amazing how beautifully the AI has improved the image in no time. After that, it's time to download it, so click Download, and it's done. Let's open it in the gallery, and wow, the enhancement is really impressive. And just to show the difference, here's how blurred it was before. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.